Okay guys, in this video we're going to add a product review app. So to do that we need to come across to the App Store or across to apps and visit the App Store. So I think there's a free one, product reviews by Shopify. Here, this one, product reviews. Now there's 1,000,001 review apps, but this one works and it's free. Feel free to do some research on these. I think this looks one is very good, but it's a paid one. And what this one does, I've used it but quite a while ago. What this does is it entices people to send a picture. So they take a picture of their product, send it, and then they get a discount on their next order, and it works very, very well. So it automatically emails them. But if you want to keep things cheap, get things going, this product reviews one, let's go ahead and add this one in. It's made by Shopify. Okay, install app. And just give that a minute to go in. Okay, let's just have a quick look. We check your store for review, so obviously it takes other ones. Okay, so looks like we have to add a little bit of code to our template. That's no problem. Copy and flow snippet, paste the snippet here. Okay, so we're going to do this right away. Okay, let's right click, open this in a new tab so we can keep both tabs open. Product template liquid. Okay, so here we are editing some code. Now if you're not familiar with editing any HTML code, okay, this is all the gubbins behind what you see. What I recommend you do is copy all of that code to a notepad or a clipboard. So let's just paste that in there. And then if anything goes wrong with this code, once you hit save, if you go and have a look at your site and your site is all broken, you've always got that code as a backup. So anytime you encounter HTML, which is what this is, hypertext media language, I think it's called, stands for. Anytime you edit any HTML on any website, always just copy a little backup and then you're covered then if things go wrong, because it's easy to make a mistake. Hopefully they've got pretty clear instructions here. It should be nice and easy. Paste your file where you want. Usually this is below the product description tag. Okay, so let's find our product description tag. So if we press Command F or Control F on a PC, we can go and find that. So let's copy this and let's paste that into there. Okay, product description. Let's just see if there's any more of these. Okay, so there's only one. So this looks like this is where we've got to paste it. So let's triple click in there and copy that. Product description underneath the div tag. Okay, so there's the div tag here. So we're going to press return and we're going to paste that in there like that. And then we're going to hit save. And then we're going to have a quick look at our website and make sure that it's not broken. Okay, and let's have a look at a product. We should see a place for customers to leave a product review. The customer reviews, no review yet. Let's write a review. Okay, let's give it a good one. Review title. Outstanding. Love the product. Super fast shipping. Will definitely be ordering again. Thanks. Okay, so let's submit that. And let's just refresh it and see if we need to approve that. Okay, there it is. Boom. Okay, so customers can then leave you a review. This is a very powerful thing. This is very, a basic one. Like I said, if you want something with more bells and whistles, check it out. There's a ton of options, but if you just want something free to get you going, I highly recommend installing a review app. It's super powerful. We all know about looking at reviews on Amazon and stuff like that. So definitely get a review app of one description or another. Okay, thanks guys.